Hello and welcome to Learn Grammar Through Stories, the Grand Tea Party Dilemma. In today's story, we're going to learn how to use no versus none, each versus every, as well as either, neither and both. Are you ready? Let's begin. Lady Eleanor was famous for hosting the most elegant tea parties in town. Elegant means stylish and graceful. Today, she had invited her closest friends, Lady Penelope and Sir Alfred, to discuss a grand charity event. This will be a perfect gathering, Lady Eleanor thought, but soon she encountered some unexpected challenges. Lady Eleanor asked the gardener about the flowers for the table. "Are there any roses left?" she inquired. "I'm afraid there are no roses, my lady," said the gardener. Lady Eleanor sighed. "Well, I suppose none of the other flowers will match the theme as beautifully, but we'll make do." As Lady Eleanor reviewed the guest list, she said aloud, "I'll personally greet each guest as they arrive. Greet means to welcome someone. It's important to make everyone feel welcome." Sir Alfred laughed. "You'll need to be very energetic for that. Energetic means full of energy. With so many guests, perhaps it's better to greet them every 5 minutes as they enter." Lady Eleanor smiled. "I suppose I can manage that." Lady Penelope asked, "Should we seat Lady Margaret on the left or the right?" Sir Alfred chimed in. "Why not give her either seat?" "She'll be happy wherever she sits." Lady Eleanor frowned. "Actually, I think neither seat will work since both spots are near the draughty windows." "Draughty means full of cold air," Penelope suggested. "Then perhaps she can join us at the head table. We'll reserve both seats by the fireplace for her and Lord Charles. Reserve is to set aside for a person." Finally, it was time to choose the desserts. The chef presented 2 options, a lemon tart and a chocolate mousse. Option means a choice. Lady Eleanor couldn't decide. "Oh dear, I love both desserts. How can I choose?" Sir Alfred laughed. "Why choose? Let's serve both and make everyone happy." Lady Penelope agreed. "It's the perfect solution. Everyone will have either dessert or maybe even both if they're lucky. Solution is an answer to a problem." Let's go through some grammar rules. 1. No is used before a noun without an article to indicate the absence of something. Example, there is no milk in the fridge. Cars. 2. None is used without a noun or followed by of to indicate 0 amount or absence. Example 1, I asked for cookies, but there were none left. Example 2, none of the students knew the answer. 3. Each refers to individual items in a group of 2 or more. Example, each student received a certificate. 4. Every refers to all items collectively in a group of 3 or more. Example, he goes to the gym every morning. 5. Either refers to one of 2 options. Example, you can have either coffee or tea. 6. Neither means not one nor the other. Example, she likes neither apples nor oranges. Course. 7. Both means 2 together. Example, both answers are correct. Now let's practice some sentences. Can you get all the answers right?